y'all, Renee here. I am here with the Cut Above Layout Kit for March from the Craft with Heart subscription service. This one looks like a lot of fun. It's very vintage, and my husband and I just found a big box of old vintage photos of his family, grandparents, great-grandparents. So I'm really excited to put this together and to see which pictures of his would go with this. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. If you have questions about the subscription kit, I have a link down below to my store. Just click on subscriptions up at the top in the top corner, and you'll learn all you needed to know about the subscription service. So with that, I'm not going to give you a big old long intro. I'm just going to get started. So I'll put some music on, and I hope you enjoy. out really cute. It was a lot of fun to make. I'm going to keep these stickers and put them on after I've put my pictures on, because I think it'll just make them a little more secure, because I was only going to end up with some adhesive right on the very edges. So I'm just going to slip them in the page protector until I find the pictures that go with this. This turned out really, really cute. I think somehow I messed up my photo placeholders. I think these are also supposed to be 3x3 squares, but I think this works. I've got all of this open at the bottom so I can pull these off, and when I put the pictures on, if 3x3 works better, I can put 3x3s there. I could also put one 4x6. Because there are no mats behind these, I'm really open on what I can do. And if I decide I want to do a mat, there's lots of different colors in here I can choose from to put a mat in. So there is that. I love how this turned out. I love these little clusters. They're really pretty. And I really like how they did this with the stickers rather than having pieces of paper behind. So that turned out real cute. And then let's look at the second layout. And the second layout is also, I do think I messed up my photo placeholders. I'm gonna have to look in my other kit that I was working on putting together at the same time as this one, because I think this is supposed to be a 5x7. However, with all those pictures that we have that we found, I'm not sure we have any 5x7. So 4x6 actually does work, and I can also add in another photo mat if I wanted to double mat that. So that works out really well. I just tacked these down so they can be pulled up, because we'll put the photos in behind these little frames. But these just turned out really cute. I love that. I know music was really important to his family, my husband's family. And we do have a lot of old records that were his grandfather's. So I'm thinking we may be able to put something together on this one that ties that phonograph into the pictures. So that's the second one. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Again, this is the Cut Above Layout Kit for March from the Craft with Heart subscription service. I'll have information down below. Just click on my shop, go to subscriptions, and you can see everything about the subscription service. And I hope you're having a great day. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe. Just hit that little red subscribe button down below. Doesn't cost a thing. You can hit the bell, not hit the bell. I've noticed I don't hit the bell on my subscriptions, and I can still see them on my subscription list. I just don't get a notification. So if you like notifications, click the bell. If you really don't care one way or the other about notifications, don't click the bell. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here today. And please leave me any comments or questions down below, and I'll be happy to get back with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.